Alright, so we have this little floating snap that just connects all the layers, and you just, here you go, super strong. And then we have these thread eyes and hooks up here, and they're just sort of hidden underneath the belt. One goes there, another one goes there, last one over there. And then underneath we have a ribbon, and if you keep going there's another ribbon, and you just tie them together all the way until they meet in a bow. Underneath is organza ribbons, and then there's another organza, and then you just tie them together.
Awesome. Do you want to do a spin?